I'm Joe Baldigo with Fanuc America. Here I'm showing our Fanuc Education Machining Simulator. This simulator offers 4 virtual machines: a Doosan DEM 4000, a Fanuc RoboDrill, a Doosan Leo 1600 lathe, and a Hardage Super Precision lathe. What this device allows students to do before getting onto a real physical machine, they're able to test, validate, and vet their programs before moving on to the actual physical machine. It also maximizes their time on a control, so maybe you're limited and only have one machine, but you could have multiple stations with these virtual machines to give students an orientation into how to program, operate, and maintain CNC machines. So some of the nice features here, it is a real CNC. If I go cycle start, we'll go ahead and you'll see the automatic tool change happen as the part comes down. I don't have sound enabled, but if you did have speakers hooked up to this, you would hear real machining noises. As we start to machine the part, the color of the tool is color coded, so you can see which operation is happening for that. But one nice thing about this is it is a real CNC machine. So if I were to stop the program, maybe there was an issue with my tooling and I needed to learn how to recover, I can put it into handle mode and jog the spindle away from the part. Other things that's nice about this virtual machine is that if a student messes up and there's a crash like that, it's easy to recover and there's no potential damage. So it allows students to safely learn in the virtual, like, video game environment, but it is fully dynamic. Some of the other nice features about this software is the housing. I can make this hidden if I wanted to show the inside of the machine, the automatic tool change. Maybe I wanted to hide the machine entirely. So we were just talking about maybe the tool path. I can drag the tool around, I can drag the machine around, get a variety of different views to help students work with the machine. I have some other tools that allow us to change our orientation of the view very quickly. I can change my camera focus, whether it's on the tool or the part. Configuration menu is a nice area. This is where you can define the size of your media that you're going to be machining, whether it's a box length, width, and height, or a cylinder, which is the diameter and length of the part. Or you can also import STL files. Maybe you're machining a casting or you wanted to model in your work holding. So that's a capability that's there as well. The milling work tools is also nice. As I had mentioned, some of the different operations can be color coded. You can select what color you want certain cutting tools to be. You can set the length and radius of those tools and then hit export, and it'll automatically update the offset screen on the CNC. You could also label one of these a touch probe. Using that crash feature where the machine flashes red, you could use that as your edge finder to teach students how to load a work offset. So this is a great training tool that makes CNC machining more and more accessible, and it's using the industry standard Fanuc control.